Phil from Revotek Laser here, just showing you this customer's light brackets that we've stripped down. As you'll see, there's quite a bit of corrosion on these. The aluminium, they're an aluminium based product. The corrosion's got into them and the paint's flaking off. In this instance, laser cleaning is a perfect solution, because as you'll see, there's lots of complex shapes involved in this particular bracket, and then we've got the light trims and surrounds as well. So the beauty of the laser is that it'll get into all of these little sort of nooks and crannies, and we'll be able to get all the paint off. We'll be able to get it basically back to bare aluminium, and then we'll be able to get them repainted for the customer. So this is the finished result. Quick go over with the laser. Probably took about, I'm going to say about 40 minutes, just because of the intricate details inside the webbing there, etc. We'll give this a quick wipe down with some wax and grease remover or some acetone, and then they'll be ready for a first coat of etch primer. You can see that it's quite badly corroded through here. So it's pitted basically in the aluminium, so the laser's done a good job of getting the paint out of it, but obviously the high build primer will fill that pitting up. And